Okay guys, Mike, it's a new old stock baby bird, man. Beautiful sensitive receiver. Beautiful radio. You saw it in person, Mike. I'll go up to the dozy. 20-watt scale. Oh yeah, break. Hello. Got it on the bench radio. Break. Audio. Look at that needle swing. Pounding that cotton picking with a banana mic. Audio. Just pounding that 100% scale. Audio 1, 2. Oh yeah, over 5 watts output. Audio 1, 2, 3. And yeah, Mike, it's just got the original factory ping. As you can see, the receiver is very sensitive. Not a lot.
That's what I do on a daily basis. I ain't out here to fight nobody. I'm out here to exercise my ready.
Yep, I tell you, man, this thing got an amazing sensitive receiver on this one for sure, Mike. So yeah, thought I'd do the video. Been a while checking back in on the channel. Been a little hiatus over the summer, guys, but hope you enjoy this bird, Mike. And you guys, if you liked it, hit the like button and subscribe to the channel. See ya.